huh? Hey, what are you doing? Combing your hair.
Do you want to say hi to Aunt Gail, Uncle Gary, and Garrett? Say hi, Aunt Gail.
Hi, Aunt Gail.
Hi, Uncle Gary.
Hi.
Hi, Garrett. Say hi, Garrett.
He's your cousin.
Yeah.
Sorry for that cough. What are you doing?
I'm making my hair.
You doing your hair?
Yeah.
Did Santa bring you a vanity? Wow. So neat.
Well, he said, I gotta go talk to you later.
He said, I gotta go talk to you later?
I gotta talk to you later.
Oh. I don't think you should listen to the movie.
Yeah.